Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Sujisha Arun. I hope you are okay, you and your family are safe and healthy. Today's video is all about the job opportunities in Canada without passing the PPC examinations. So this is one of the mostly questioned topic on my comment section. So I thought it would be helpful for you guys. Today's video I have only included the entry level job positions because it will depends upon your previous work experiences also. So if you having no experiences or if you having less previous experiences in these sectors, you may start from the scratch. That is, you may get only entry level positions. So also you may get higher positions depends upon your previous experiences, and if you are holding a Canadian diploma or certificate programs, that will be an additional benefit, and you may get higher positions depending upon your studies. Okay, so let's get started. So first job is pharmacy assistant. Yeah, I have done a full video about the job criteria and the requirements of the pharmacy assistant in my previous video. As you know, the main duty of a pharmacy assistant is to help the pharmacist to run the pharmacy. You may work for hospital, clinical and retail pharmacies. So, pharmacy assistant diploma is a basic qualification needed to work as a pharmacy assistant. Even many of the international pharmacy graduates start their career in Canada first as a pharmacy assistant, and Kroll and Nexus are the common softwares used in pharmacies here. So, experience in these softwares is an added asset. Also, certain institutions provide training in these softwares, and you can easily find it on searching. And retail experience and communication skills and computer skills are preferred. Our second job is pharmaceutical representative or sales support specialist. So if you enjoy marketing, this job works well for you. You are employed by pharmaceutical companies to promote and educate the healthcare professionals regarding the pharmaceutical products. About the pharmaceutical sales associate, a bachelor's degree with 1 to 3 years experience is an asset. That's in the sales field is an asset, and that's the basic qualification for the pharmaceutical sales associate, and have strong communication skills. That is very important as you need to interact with the health professionals. Package associate perform the final checks for the defective items before packaging, and you need to maintain the inventory and the detail of the whole shipments records. Okay. For pharmaceutical packaging associate, the knowledge with good production practices and good manufacturing practices is preferred. So if you have previous experience, that is an asset, and other important skill you need is have better hand-eye coordination, as it include manual functions. Fourth job is the store associate. As a store associate, you could work in various health food supplement stores selling vitamins and other healthcare products. Store associate is quite easy to get here in super centers, but you have basic knowledge regarding the supplementation needs, and health is important to work as a store associate in health supplementation stores. Hence, they prefer pharmacy background candidates also. If the job is a quality assurance associate, and somehow this job position may ask you to have previous experience in the pharmaceutical sector, the main duty of this quality assurance associate is to maintain and preparing the regulatory related documents. For the quality assurance associate, the basic qualification is bachelor's degree in pharmacy or related field, and you should have strong knowledge about the Health Canada regulations and GMP. So as an international pharmacy graduate, you should study about these topics prior attending the interview for this position, and quality auditor certification is an added asset. Our sixth job is a manufacturing associate. So you need to work individually or as a team to deliver the GPP compliant products. So for a pharmaceutical manufacturing associate, the preferred qualification is degree in pharmaceutical or food industry, and manufacturing experience candidates are preferred, and having strong communication skills. So our seventh one is the research assistant or research associate. So I have already mentioned about the duties of the research assistant in my previous video. So if you don't yet watch that, check that video. And the main duty of this research assistant is to assist the researcher in order to maintain, collecting and recording the project research details. Okay. So, to work as a clinical research associate, the university undergraduate degree in science or related field is the qualification preferred. And if you published any research articles during your academics or in your career life, you can add, and that is an additional asset for this position. And the CRA certification is beneficial, and you can become a certified clinical research associate by attending the course and training. So you may get better positions based on the certifications. Eighth one is regulatory affairs associate. The regulatory affairs associate is responsible for the regulatory information management and its supporting. And degree in the scientific field is a basic qualification to work as a regulatory affairs associate, and you need certification in regulatory affairs is an asset, and experience in regulatory affairs CMC, that is chemistry, manufacturing and controls, is preferred. So RRCMC professionals help assure that pharmaceutical products are consistently effective and safe for consumers, and strong verbal and written communication skills are preferred for this position. Ninth one is the medical writer. The main duty of this medical writer to assist in writing, editing and documenting the contents of the various clinical related regulatory documents. So to work as a medical writer, mostly PharmD and master's graduates choose this job, and the medical writer is responsible for all the aspects of writing program. Hence the extensive knowledge of English grammar is preferred, and have high level of knowledge in science also. Tenth one is the various positions in the government organizations like Health Canada or Environment Canada. You can find many job opportunities or job openings in their website, and I will provide the link in my description also, so do check the description. Yeah, that's it guys about the alternative careers in Canada without passing the PBC examinations. I hope you guys find this video useful, and consider subscribing if you like the content of my channel, and share with your friends as well. See you next time. Take care and bye bye.